Welcome to 2 Minutes Daily Learning. Do you know why everything is becoming expensive? From petrol, to vegetables, to travel, prices are rising everywhere. This situation is called inflation. And today, we will understand it in very simple words. What is inflation? Inflation means a general increase in the prices of goods and services over a period of time. In simple words, your money buys less than before. For example, earlier, 100 Indian rupees could buy more things. But now, the same 100 Indian rupees buys fewer items. This happens because prices keep going up over time. We can see inflation in our daily life. Vegetable prices increase. Petrol prices rise again and again. Milk becomes more expensive. School fees increase. Even mobile recharge plans become costly. So inflation is not just an economic word. It directly affects our everyday lifestyle. Now let us understand how inflation affects us. First, demand increases. When more people want to buy goods, prices start rising. Then, the value of money decreases. The same amount of money buys less than before. After that, purchasing power falls. We cannot buy as much as we could earlier. And finally, life becomes more expensive. Daily expenses increase and managing money becomes harder. Now let us summarize the key points to remember. Prices of goods and services keep increasing over time. Money loses value during inflation. Purchasing power decreases. The same money buys fewer things. Daily life becomes expensive. From food to fuel, everything costs more. And inflation affects everyone, rich, middle class, and poor. So in simple words, inflation means rising prices and decreasing value of money. Now you know why everything is becoming expensive. Inflation silently affects our money and daily life. Understanding inflation helps us make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel for more simple daily life concepts made easy.